I'm going to run through a couple of kaltura things so we can see what's what. So first, turn editing on in your class and add an activity or resource. Kaltura media assignment. This might be what we need, because that looks a little different than what I saw in the medical terminology class. So you could have them submit media, like a video, and grade that. I don't think that's what you were trying to do. So you could do a lesson or assignment and add kaltura to it. Turn editing on. Add an activity or resource. Lesson. Do a lesson. Add. So I'd recommend you use a new lesson. Kaltura. Watch this kaltura video. Watch this intro video. Don't put anything in here unless you want to click through the slides to view the video and answer questions. Answer questions. Unless you want to do that. But this isn't where you would put that kaltura video. You can do a progress bar, yes. Deadline, put in a deadline. So that could be the 29th. Grade, I'm going to make it 10. You don't need to put in a grade to pass, but it changes the colors in the grade book, which is cool. And that's it. We're going to save and display. So now we set up our lesson. So the first thing I want to do is add a content page. And then this is the same text editor as before, so we're going to click on this little kaltura doodad. And if this looks a little different, it may look a little different from your editor, but it should still have the kaltura doodad in there. If it doesn't, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in a video. Select. Does it look good? Embed. And if you plan to put in questions, you can put in next and next page. If you were doing a bunch of questions, you could put in previous page, save page. Okay, so now our video shows up. And we're going to add a question page. So if you want to add something above the video, you would click on these options. If you want to add something below the video, you would click on these options. So we're going to add a question page. True, false. Yes. No. Okay, save page. All right, so now I have a video and a question. And I'm going to go back and we're going to try it out. So I'm going to go in here as a student. Ignore this one. This was the mistake I made. Click the watch this intro video. So this is our video. Click next. Did we watch the video? Yes. Submit. Okay, so now the lesson's completed and I have an option to view my grades. Cool. So that actually takes a student right to the grade book for them. So you can see that, let's see here, there we go. So I got 100% on that video lesson. So that, I think, is probably the best way to add Kaltura. We could play with a video quiz at some point as well, but it looks like it was added the same way. So it was added within the assignment. I hope that helps, and I'm sorry this video is long. Let me know if you need anything.